If you need a suitcase for your next trip, you have come to the right place. Not all travel luggage is created equal. Some have a hard shell, 4 wheels, and TSA-approved locks. Others have soft shells, 2 wheels, and vibrant exteriors. You'll want to check all types before deciding on the one. The right suitcase for you will be durable, full of useful features, and fit your budget. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 travel luggage and suitcases on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cool Life Luggage 3-Piece Set. If you're a family of 3 or 4 planning on taking an international trip soon, the Cool Life Luggage 3-Piece Set might just be what you need. Available in 10 plus colors, you're guaranteed to find the option that's right for you. We like that although the luggage is lightweight, it's still sturdy. The impact-resistant hard shell and the 100% ABS material make it almost bulletproof. The interior compartment has a zipped part in the division with compression straps. This allows you to organize your stuff in a way that doesn't cause wrinkles in your clothes or dents in your accessories. You can easily operate the telescoping handle thanks to the integrated push button. Paired with sturdy wheels that can turn in any direction, you shouldn't have any issues using this luggage set for years. The spinner wheels allow you to move your suitcase in any direction. The 2-year warranty provides additional protection. The light colors can get dirty fairly quickly with frequent use. Number 2. Swiss Gear Scion Roller Luggage. Swiss Gear has earned itself a great reputation over the past few decades, and it shows. Scion carry-on luggage is a perfect example of their quality and reliability. Featuring 4 360-degree spinner wheels and a locking push/pull mechanism, the luggage provides a superior level of mobility. It's built from the scuff-resistant polyester that is responsible for the impressive durability of the bag. The interior includes adjustable tie-down straps, a mesh pocket with the lid, and a removable zippered bag for wet items. There's also a packing pocket for storing smaller knickknacks and an ID tag for having your emergency information at hand. Scion has a retractable handle with a push-button mechanism that helps you transport your stuff without putting a strain on your back. Things we like: the 2 front pockets help organize your travel essentials and add last-minute items. It's super affordable. Things we don't like: the handle is weak. Number 3. Rockland Melbourne Spinner Wheel Luggage. Bundles and sets are known for providing the best value, and Rockland Melbourne Hardside Luggage Set is the proof. Built from the sturdy ABS, it is super lightweight and durable. The right spinner wheels help the luggage rotate 360 degrees on every terrain, while the bulletproof exterior protects your essentials from getting damaged during traveling. The integrated telescopic handle can be conveniently stowed away when not in use and extended when needed to maneuver the suitcase. The 2 extra inches in depth allow you to maximize the number of things you can bring on board with you. If you are lucky enough to get your hands on this travel luggage set when it's on sale, consider it the deal of all deals. You can choose either a 3 or a 2-piece set depending on your needs. The quality of the wheels is great. Number 4. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Luggage. Soft shell luggage lovers, meet Travel Pro Platinum Elite Suitcase, a practical travel bag that is perfect for both short and long trips. Constructed from the water-repellent nylon with leather details and chrome zippers, it features a tapered expansion that offers you 2 extra inches of storage space. The precision glide system integrated into the bag consists of cushioned touch points, self-aligning magnetic wheels and an adjustable handle. The TSA-approved lock allows authorities to quickly unlock and lock the luggage for inspection when needed. The premium price point is completely justified by the high-quality features and the lifetime warranty from the manufacturer that covers the costs associated with repair caused by common carriers. The built-in fold-out suitor helps to keep your clothes wrinkle-free. The lifetime warranty makes the investment worth it. Things we don't like: the quality of the zippers is not great. Number 5. Briggs & Riley Spinners. You'll have a hard time finding a more spacious checked luggage than the baseline soft-side model released by Briggs & Riley. Available in 5 sizes and 3 colors, it's a great find for everyone looking to update their traveling gear. The 1680 denier ballistic nylon gives this suitcase an edge over others because, well, it incorporates the qualities that other pieces of luggage don't have. We're talking about wear, tear and water resistance combined with dirt-repelling properties. The fiberglass frame adds to the mix of durability and makes the suitcase that much more lightweight, flexible, and reliable. The patented CX expansion compression is the star element here, It helps to increase the capacity of the travel bag by 26% while keeping the content safe and sound. Now you know why this checked luggage is so highly priced. The aircraft-grade aluminum handle has 4 stop heights to fit everyone's height. The YKK zippers have nylon zipper teeth that are tamper-resistant. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.